DSonic is a fast-growing company providing advanced plastic welding solutions. Presenting our car tail light hot plate welding machine. Specially designed for strong, precise, and leak-proof welding of automotive tail light components. This machine ensures uniform heating, high bonding strength, and excellent finish, making it ideal for automotive manufacturing applications. Built for consistent performance, durability, and production efficiency, DSonic hot plate welding solutions meet the demanding standards of the automobile